Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a burger and grow a garden. First, let's talk about starting your garden. Finding the perfect spot is crucial. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, understand your soil by testing its pH and nutrient content. This helps you choose the best plants for your area. Finally, map out your garden, thinking about how much space each plant needs to thrive. These initial steps lay a strong foundation for a successful harvest. Once your garden is planted, consistent care is key. Water your plants deeply and regularly, particularly when the weather is dry. Adding a layer of organic mulch, about 2 to 3 inches thick, helps keep the soil moist and reduces weed growth. Remember to feed your plants with a balanced fertilizer every few weeks. Also, keep a close eye out for any pests or diseases, tackling them quickly to maintain a healthy and productive garden. Now, let's shift our focus to crafting the perfect burger. Start with high-quality ground beef, ideally an 80% lean and 20% fat blend for maximum flavor and juiciness. Gently form your patties, making them about 3/4 of an inch thick, and press a small dimple in the center to prevent bulging. Season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't forget to lightly toast your burger buns for a delightful crunch. Cooking your burger to perfection is simple. Place your seasoned patties on a grill or pan over medium-high heat, cooking for 3 to 5 minutes per side for a medium rare to medium doneness. If you like cheese, add it during the final minute of cooking so it melts beautifully. Assemble your burger with fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, ripe tomato, and thinly sliced onion. Serve immediately with your favorite condiments and a delicious side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.